everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can view the submitted attendances, session reports for a child's booking that has been submitted and processed by CCS. To do this, you can click on your bookings menu and under attendances, you can click on submitted attendances session reports. This feature is helpful and will save you time, allowing you to view all the entitlements that have come back from CCS in relation to the session for the child. This includes the overall weekly entitlements, and you can also view each day's session entitlements. To view a particular child's record, in the filter, search the child's name. Then you can enter in a week ending date range and you can click search. It will show the status of that session report. And in the None drop-down box on the left-hand side, you have two options, Sessions and Details. If you select Details, this shows you a screenshot of the entitlements that have been submitted and processed by CCS for the session for the entire week for the child. The weekly CCS payments line item will show how much subsidy has been paid for that session. In this example, the line is blank and therefore this indicates no CCS payments have been paid for this session. Other information, it will also record if the child has been flagged as a school child, true or false, when the session has been submitted, updated and processed from CCS. To now view each session individually, in that None drop-down box, you can select Sessions. This then breaks down each individual session within that week. And again, you will see a None drop-down box and you can select Details. These entitlements are broken down for this particular day. It shows the hourly rate charged. So this is a good one to indicate if your session has been charged over the CCS hourly rate cap. It also indicates the type, so whether it's CCS or a CCS subsidy, the amount and subsidised hours. In this example, it indicates that no CCS subsidy has been paid. The recipient, if it states service, it means the service has been paid that CCS, and therefore this will be recorded on the Guardian's customer account statement and in your CCS payments report. If it states individual, this means the Guardian has been paid the subsidy. If CCS has not been paid, it will supply a reason. So for example, the enrolment is in a receive status, they have reached their 42 absent days, they have exhausted their activity hours, etc. For further information on how to view the submitted attendances session reports, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.